Alright guys, so I got the steering wheel back on. Let's check out, see what the final results look like.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine so.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and guess what guys? I have my final piece to finish my steering wheel, guys. So if you guys remember, obviously my steering wheel was stock when I bought the car, and then I bought a steering wheel from eBay and I added that on, and then you saw I took off the Dodge badge that was on the steering wheel and I added a Viper one. And you know, I got kind of tired of the Viper one, obviously, because my car's not a Viper, right? But you know, it looked cool. You know, I really didn't like that Dodge sign, but I finally got the missing piece to my steering wheel, guys, and it comes from Zen Carbon Fiber. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, so I got my little flashlight here. So here is my steering wheel now, right? As you can see, there it is. See that Viper logo right there? You saw I added some carbon fiber pieces right there, right? Looking good, but like that airbag, guys, still not, you know, still not the sexiest thing in the world. Looks really good, but let me go ahead and show you my final piece. I want to apologize early for the mess I have in my supposed gym, guys. We're doing a lot of remodeling on the house, but here is the missing piece, guys. So this is basically gonna be an airbag cover, right, for my airbag. It's gonna go right over the top. It has SRT8 right dash in the middle. So it looks like from here it's gonna be it's gonna go right over, but it looks like this cord's gonna go on the horn button. I'm gonna take off the horn cord off my airbag and replace it with this one. And it looks like, you know, it has a little signal there. That way when I push on it, it'll send the signal for the airbag horn. And we got a decal. Zen Carbon Fiber. Very nice. So guys, basically today's gonna be an install video. I'm gonna go ahead and take the airbag out, install this on top, and then plug it back in. Alright guys, so the first step is gonna be to unplug my battery. Got some stuff back here. So I just hit my head. Anyways, before I knock myself out here, to access the battery, guys, you just flap this open here, and it's really dark, so let's get some light in here. All right, there we go. All right guys, so there is the battery right here. So basically we have to unplug the negative terminal, then take out the positive, and just for about 30 minutes leave it unplugged, and then I'll get started. All right guys, so I got my negative and positive terminals off. So whenever you unplug your car's battery, obviously guys, you guys want to make sure you leave it unlocked and the windows open and everything, like the trunk, you know what I mean? I'm gonna leave it open because well, I could close it. I guess I could open it with my keys, but I'm just gonna leave it open. I'm gonna be in here, wait my 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna work out real quick, guys, and then I'm gonna take the airbag out and then try to put that cover on, guys. While we wait here, guys, just want to remind you guys to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you haven't already, it's obviously about this 2009 Dodge Charger SRT8. Ton of things done to the car, guys. I get a ton of questions about it on Instagram all the time. So, you know, if you're wondering anything about the car, I would encourage you to go to my channel, look through all my videos, and I guarantee you, you will find the answer, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna work out real quick and we'll get this thing on. All right guys, so I'm back now. So basically guys, what I'm gonna do is that this steering wheel has two 10mm bolts on the back to be able to pop this airbag out, guys. I'm not gonna, you know, show a video of me doing it. If you do want to see it, I would refer you to my steering wheel installation video, because obviously this isn't a stock steering wheel, guys. If you guys have questions about the steering wheel, like I said, I'll make sure I put that video at the end of this video. That way you guys can go ahead and check it out and see how the whole process of me taking the airbag out, taking the steering wheel out, and then putting the new one in, and then the airbag back on, okay? But right now, guys, I'm gonna pop this airbag out. There's gonna be three cords on the back, right? Two for the airbag that are right next to each other, and one's gonna be towards the top, and that's for the horn button. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this airbag out now. Also, guys, when you want to access the airbag, it's best to pop the steering wheel out right here with the little steering wheel button here to pop it out. I can't even think right now, guys. It's late. I'm tired. But anyways, it's good to do that. It's easier to access the bolts in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, guys. So I got the 2 bolts out. This is what they look like. They're in the back on the steering wheel. I used a 10mm ratchet to get them out. So now that the bolts are out, this airbag should just come out right out. See, there you go. This is what the inside looks like. There's those 3 cords I was telling you about. So with these 2, I have to kind of just pinch them out. And then this one, you kind of use a little flathead to pop it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Obviously, using my phone to record right now. So I'm going to have to just put it down for now, take it out, and then we'll try to get that cover on, guys. All right, guys. So I got the airbag out. So just to show you, this is what the back looks like, okay? So there's 2 cords. I took them out here, and then this is the for the horn, right? So if you look at my airbag cover, basically, I'm not going to use this anymore. Instead, I'm going to plug my new horn button because this has its own little horn system once I put it on over. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on over and then plug it in. Okay, actually, guys, I just realized something. This isn't going over the top of this whole thing. I'm going to have to take this whole plastic piece out. As you can see here, I'm going to have to take all this out and then put this on over the top. So now I get it, guys. So I'm going to have to strip this of this piece up top and then put this piece on over. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is the old one. So basically what I did, I used my flathead and I kind of pried it out all around. You'll see these little things here, that's what they hook on to. So I just pried it all around, you know, like, I don't know, like a circle, whatever shape this is. And I popped it out. So here's the freaking airbag, guys. So I'm hoping this is safe. Wow. I didn't know if I was gonna have to do this, honestly, guys. But look, here it is, right? And here's the replacement. So, I mean, everything's unplugged. I unplugged it for like a good hour. So hopefully when I reinstall everything, it doesn't blow up on my face. All right, guys, so I put it all in. So all the holes popped in and all the holes matched up perfectly. So you have to make sure all of these little slits get popped in, okay? And then you just tuck this cord back in this little slot right here for the horn. And now it's just, you know, I'm gonna plug it back in. Like I said, hopefully when I plug the car back in and I start it up, it don't blow up in my face. That was my big fear last time, you know what I mean, when I got the new steering wheel. Because these airbags are expensive, guys. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up in there. Oh, and I guess I didn't flip it around, so there you go. There it is. SRT8. Looking good. I shouldn't have tossed it like that. Could have blew up in my face. Gotta be really careful with these airbags, guys. You have to be gentle with them. You throw them around, they'll just blow up on you. At least so I think. All right, guys. So she's all done. I started her up. Airbag didn't blow up in my face. Let's go ahead and take a look at the steering wheel. And there she is, guys. Let me try to hit some extra light on it. You can see it there. It looks good. I like it. And then sorry there. So you can see like it covers all around. See? So let's go ahead and get in the passenger or the driver's side so you kind of get to see what it really looks like. All right, so coming around to the driver's side, guys. Let's see, I got my green halos on. Yes, this car has halos. Like I said, guys, this car has quite a few things done to it. Cosmetically, of course. All right, so let's go ahead and give you that driver's side point of view here. There it is. That's what she looks like. Looks really good. I like that it's sorry, I'm gonna take away a little bit of light. So I like that it's like a suede, right? Because my steering wheel has this kind of like a suede-ish top and bottom, and then the red stitching. This also has red stitching, which kind of matches the car. Like if you look at my seats, I have red stitching on the seats. So it matches really, really well with the car, guys. You can see this is kind of be the point of view I'm be driving in now. Very nice. I haven't tested the horn out or really anything yet. I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. So I'll post this video tomorrow, and then I'll post another video, kind of like a review video, to see how everything's holding up, how it's working, and kind of what it's like driving with this new cover. Well, YouTube, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, I'm sorry I had to do it at night, but you know, the channel is called SRT Dad, guys, and if you're a dad out there, you know that, you know, it's tough to get things done sometimes. But you can see the car behind me, have the underglow on and my green lights on. But if you enjoy this type of content, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. You know, if you really like it, hit that subscribe button, guys. You know, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Help me get there. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting, guys, on Instagram, on here on YouTube. I'll see you guys on the next one. I need to take a little nap now before the day starts tomorrow. See you guys on the next one. I'm SRT Dad. Good night.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with